Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a collective Amazon haul. I picked up a lot of things during Amazon Prime Day and they're rolling in, the orders are rolling in, the packages are rolling in, and I'm excited to share with you all basically everything that I bought during Prime Day, but you know me, I'm Amazon obsessed. I also purchased some things before Amazon Prime Day, which I guess in hindsight I should have just waited, but I couldn't wait. So if you want to see everything that I have purchased from Amazon, it's a lot of home focus items, some lifestyle in there as well, but like mainly home. So if you want a good Amazon haul, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, we are gonna start with my desk chair. I'm pretty sure I told you all here or maybe on Instagram that one of the things that I wanted to replace in 2024 was my desk chair. I technically have a slight, I was gonna say case. I've been diagnosed with scoliosis, you guys. Had no idea all this time, but I think it was maybe like 2 years ago. My back was aching, my back was hurting. Went to the chiropractor, he did some x-rays, and your girl has scoliosis, like slightly. So I'm like, okay, well, what does that mean? So my doctor recommended that I get a better office chair because I work from home, hello. Like I am sitting, I'm on my computer, I'm on my phone pretty much all day. So one of the things I wanted to replace was my desk chair. I had this beautiful one from Restoration Hardware. It was gorgeous, but it just was giving me no support. It was giving literally nothing except aesthetics. And usually I'm all for that, but for a desk chair, I need back support. And so this one is really nice because it kind of has like a contour, like the back is kind of like contorted in a way that is like natural for the shape of your spine. There's a footrest that you can pull out. It's just a lot more comfortable and a lot more supportive. Basically now when I'm working, when I'm sitting at my desk, I am so comfortable. I honestly notice a difference. Like I don't have to like crack my back as often. I don't know if anyone else can like relate to that, but sometimes I have to like twist and pop my back. I don't have to do that as much anymore. I haven't had it for that long to say like I don't have to do it at all, but I haven't noticed myself cracking my back as often as I used to. I will say that. So I love it. You can adjust the height, like raise it up, lower it, adjust the back, like the lounge capability. It's just really, really nice. Plus it's still aesthetic. Like I think it's still really cute. It's like a cream and white color. So yeah, obviously everything will be linked down below. My storefront, this chair, all the things that I'm talking about because it is just so good. So continuing with the office desk situation, working from home, I got this standing rolling desk. I love this thing. I have seen these all over my For You page. I feel like everyone has one. I'm probably late to the bandwagon, but it's really good. So I like to use this in 2 different places. One, either on the couch, or 2, in bed. So clearly I only use it when I'm trying to be like super comfortable. I love to like roll it underneath the bed a little bit and then sit in bed and work and edit. Or sometimes I'll just set it up in bed, have a mindless TV show on like Love Island. Let me know if you have been obsessed with Love Island USA. I cannot wait for the reunion. I feel like it's gonna be so good. I'm like following everybody on Instagram and TikTok, keeping up with all the tea. But anyway, I'll have a show like that on. I will have my iPad. I'll be scrolling Pinterest, saving outfit inspiration while my show is on. I've got maybe like a cup of tea. It's just so relaxing and there's something about it that's just so incredibly cozy. I love having my desk. My mom was teasing me that it looked like a hospital, a hospital like bed tray thing going on, but you know what? I really appreciate it. I like it. It's cozy. It's the little things. I love kind of having like a cocoon like set up for myself where I'm like, I have all my little favorite things like all around me and I'm just like in my happy place. And that's what this desk brings me. I'm able to keep it in bed, have all my stuff laid out. I'll even have a candle on the little desk. It is just so cozy. It's so cute. There's something about it that just feels like right to me and my soul. This is just the way to go. Okay, next up are 2 different alarm clocks. The first one is a Hatch alarm clock. This was on sale for Prime Day, so I wanted to pick it up. I've been wanting this for a while. I had like a regular Hatch one, but this Hatch Restore Plus is so nice. Like it almost has this like linen material overlay on top of the alarm clock. You can connect it with your phone, which is great. Again, like I said, I had one of these before and the kids also have Hatch alarm clocks. So I'm connected on my phone. I'm able to like do what I need to do. I set alarms. There's different sounds on it. Like you can wake up to a sunset, like it changes colors. It's just overall really nice. It's a nice gentle way to wake up. RG and Briella are officially back in school. So I've been waking up early now, like 5:45, 6 a.m., which has definitely been an adjustment for us. Usually we were waking up around like 8 o'clock, 8:30, closer to 9. So this has definitely been a huge adjustment, but my alarm clock has made that a little bit easier because it's a more gentle way to wake up. Basically, the alarm clock itself lights up gradually and then your alarm goes off. So what I'm hoping is that I get to the point where the light itself kind of wakes me up, which is just a more gentle way than having a blaring like like alarm. Oh no, sorry, I'm looking at my iPad. So that's not my thing. So I would rather have this alarm clock. So that's alarm clock number one. The second alarm clock are these little simple like digital ones. I got two. First of all, I've already had this. I own this already and it's in my office. So I wanted to get two more for the kids' rooms because RG specifically has been really into telling time, wanting to know what time it is, and he's actually really good at it. So I thought it would be nice to get him his own alarm clock so that he knows exactly like what time it is when he wakes up, because that's one of the first things he asks in the morning is like, what time is it? What time did I wake up? What time do we go to bed? He's very time obsessed right now. So I think an alarm clock would be perfect for him. And whatever RG has, Briella wants. So I ended up just buying two because I knew she was gonna want one too. So I got one for her, and hopefully this will encourage Briella to kind of start learning the time and learning, you know, like trying to decode and make sense of time. I don't know, hopefully we'll see. But these alarm clocks are just really cute. They're gold, they're aesthetic. I just really like them. Okay, next up, this is another item that I have purchased before from Amazon. I loved it. So basically it was so nice I had to buy it twice. It's this blue, super soft, cozy blanket. Usually I have it here in our bedroom. I have another one downstairs in our living room. It is so soft. It is so plush. I love it. It definitely gives Barefoot Dreams a run for its money. I love the color. You all know I'm slowly but surely getting into my colorful era. I mean, I have this like blue bedding back here. Okay, this is like a big step for me, and getting a blue sort of matching blanket to go with it. Like, it's just something about it. I honestly can say that I have been loving the pop of color. If you have been waiting for a pop of color, I've been loving the pop of color. It's just so cozy. It's so cute. And not only that, like, it's just really good quality. I have washed this blanket that I had before. I mean, I've had it for so long. I've probably washed it a total of like 5 or 6 times by now. I try to wash it like once a week, once every other week, and it has held up. Okay, if you are a Barefoot Dreams girly and you have Barefoot Dreams robes or blankets, you know you have to wash it on delicate, you have to hang dry it, but even then sometimes the softness over time fades away. This one does not do that. It's just as soft. I still wash it on delicate. I do add scent beads and I add a fabric softener, and then I hang dry it, and it's perfect. It's in perfect condition. It smells amazing, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, next up, this is kind of a lifestyle favorite. This is a little bit random, but it is Element. I don't know if you all have heard of Element before. It's basically an electrolyte powder that you mix in with your water, and oh my gosh, it tastes so good. So it's an electrolyte, meaning that it's a little bit salty. It gives you your minerals. It just makes you feel more hydrated. It basically gives you extra hydration. So instead of having plain water, you mix in these electrolytes and it makes you way more hydrated than just drinking plain water. I love to drink this in the morning. I don't know if it's because we've been waking up early for school, or, which has only been like 2 days. Okay, let me not be dramatic. It's only been 2 days. But even before that, when I would wake up, does anyone else experience this where, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't even say this because the last video everybody thought I was anemic, so maybe I don't even want to get into the claims, but basically like I feel a little like when you, like groggy, like when you first wake up, obviously you're still gonna be kind of out of it and tired, but I almost have like a little bit of a headache. I'm so hesitant to say that, y'all, please, because my mama was reading the comments and she was concerned that I was anemic because a lot of people were saying that I was anemic because I liked crunching ice. You guys, please stop. We gotta stop this. But the Element basically just really makes me feel a lot better. It makes me feel hydrated as soon as I drink it. I'm not kidding. I wanna say 5, okay, maybe I'll be generous, 10 minutes at max, 10 minutes. And then I'm like, oh, I'm awake. I'm feeling so much better. Like the little slight headache, don't get extreme. The little slight headache in the morning is gone. I feel fantastic. Like my electrolytes, I feel fulfilled. Like, I don't know, there's something about the Element powder that does what it needs to do. Whatever the claims are, it works and it tastes amazing. It is very salty. I gave it to the kids. They didn't like it, but it's good. They had like a mini sip and they were like, oh, it's too salty. I'm like, no, this is so good. But I also like salty things, like sweet and salty. So the flavors are like citrus, like raspberry, watermelon, watermelon, like all the like juicy fruits mixed with the salt. I don't know. I really like the taste of it and it works. So 2 thumbs up. Okay, next up is an essential that I think every girly needs, and it's basically these purse hooks. I've given these to my mom, my best friend. They are so handy if you carry like a small little bag, which like most of us do, especially at night. Like, okay, this is mainly for like date nights or girls' nights, or okay, we're going to go out and get dinner, like someplace really fancy. These purse hooks are perfect for you to put on the table. Like, let's say you're at like a high top table, maybe you're at like the bar, like a bar top, whatever it is, and you don't have space to like put your purse, or maybe, you know how restaurants, like especially like those like chic little like trendy restaurants, the tables are small and like you're just in a chair and you don't know where to put your purse. At least, I don't know, maybe you have a hack for this and you're like, no, just wrap it around your leg and put it there. I don't know. But for me, I'm like, where am I gonna put my bag? So I end up having to put it either on my lap or like behind me. Like, and it's awkward and it's uncomfortable. And I'm like, okay, I guess I should have just left my purse in the car. Like, what is this? So I found these little purse hooks on Amazon, obviously. And it's like a metal part you put down on the table, and the chain sort of part, it almost is shaped like the letter J. It hooks under the table and you can put your purse hanging from that hook. It's genius. This is, again, nothing new. I know these have been around for a while, but like until you actually, it's kind of one of those things where it's like, oh, okay, I'm aware of that product, but like, am I actually gonna buy that for myself? But once you do, I have bought so many of these now. I keep them in all of my little small bags. So no matter like where I am or what purse I have, I can always reach in and like have a hook. It's just really convenient. It's just really nice. It's one of those things where like, if you have, you know, someone's birthday is coming up, or like, I know we're kind of far away from Christmas, but like keep in the back of your mind, like little stocking stuffers. I feel like this would make a great stocking stuffer. You just put it in all the girls' stockings and then it's like, oh wow, I have one of these. Once you have it, you're like, yeah, this actually is a game changer. Okay, next up, speaking of like girly things, I have been addicted to Amazon jewelry lately. Like, I always love like a good like jewelry piece, and like going to TJ Maxx and getting like an expensive jewelry that like looks nice. Like I'm definitely into that. But Amazon, specifically the Pavoy brand on Amazon, I have been going crazy. I think I have one on now. Yeah, I have one of the bracelets on now. It's like this tennis bracelet. It looks so nice, you guys. I have a real tennis bracelet that my mom gave me, and honestly, like this, I don't know, they're giving real diamonds a run for their money. Like, it looks nice. It's not too like over the top. The little crystals inside, it's like the cut of it is really nice, where it catches the light, but it's not like, oh wow, this is like huge, gaudy, and like you can tell that it's fake. Like, honestly, I feel like this looks really, really nice. It's dainty. I think it's the size too. Like, when a tennis bracelet is just like dainty and thin like this, like to me, it just makes it look more real. Those bigger ones, like, I don't know, I just kind of automatically think like, oh, that looks kind of fake. But this one looks really nice. And I also picked up a watch. It's not the Pavoy brand. I completely forget the brand name, but it really reminds me of a Rolex watch. It's a two-tone gold, like it's a yellow gold and a white gold. And then it has like the same type of like crystals inside the face of the watch. It just looks really, really nice. And again, it's a smaller, thinner watch. So to me, that looks better quality. It looks a little bit more expensive. It looks a little bit nicer because it's more understated. Whereas if I had like a huge, big watch, like, first of all, it gives more surface area for people to dissect and be like, is that real? Is it not? So I don't know. That's just in my mind. I'm like, wow, this looks really nice. It looks like I have like an iced out like wrist. Like, it just looks really pretty. And not only that, like, it is good quality. For Amazon, I'm actually really, really surprised with it. This bracelet specifically, I never take it off and it's fine. It hasn't tarnished. I've had it for, I think, like over a month at this point. And yeah, I just really, really like this. Okay, next up, I want to talk about these two products really quickly, and those are my Ritual vitamins. This is not sponsored. I have worked with them before, so obviously I love the vitamins if I worked with them. I bought them again with my own money. I've actually bought them, I mean, I've worked with Ritual, like, I want to say it was maybe like over a year ago, maybe even 2 years at this point, and I've continued to take them, so I've been purchasing them since that sponsorship with my old money, and I have been taking religiously the women's multivitamin and the I think it's pre, pro, and postbiotic, prebiotic, something like that. I'll link it down below. They were on sale for Prime Day and I was like, yay. So I got them. I take them every single day. I really like them. I noticed a difference and they have like a good taste. Like it's a swallowable pill, but the aftertaste is like minty, and then some of the pills are like lemony. Like it's just very fresh after you ingest the pill. It's just really nice. Just wanted to quickly share that I still have been taking my Ritual. Got them on Amazon. They're available on Amazon and I really like them. Okay, next up were these faux roses. Again, this is a repurchase. They were on sale for Prime Day. They're so pretty. I think they look gorgeous. The flower themselves looks real. I don't necessarily think that the stem and the leaves give off a very realistic flower, but as far as like the actual like rose bud, like that looks real. To me, I think that looks the most realistic. So when you have them kind of clustered together, if you have like a taller vase, I think you can get away with it looking real. I think they're just gorgeous. They come in an assortment of different colors. I got the white, of course, but I also have the pink in my office. I mixed the white bunch with a pink bunch and I think it looks really, really pretty in there. Roses are just such a classic flower. I feel like even though we are moving into fall, which I'm gonna get to falling for fall announcements later, but even though we're moving into fall, I feel like roses are such a staple, timeless flower, timeless stem. I know like sometimes we can get into these like trends of like, oh, fiddle leaves are trending, or you know, this type of flower is trending, but I just feel like roses are timeless and it just goes with any aesthetic. It's such a classy, like beautiful faux stem to have. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Those are all of my Amazon must-haves. Is it must-haves? I mean, it's definitely must-haves for me, but this was an Amazon haul, a collective Amazon haul of all the things that I purchased this month, whether it was Prime Day or just shopping because I cannot be stopped. I hope you all really enjoyed this. Again, I will have my Amazon storefront linked down below with all the products linked as well. I'm thinking that either in the next video or the next one after that, it's going to be my Falling for Fall series, which if you're new here, basically for the whole season of fall, I'm bringing fall content that revolves around home, lifestyle. We're gonna have some fun this year and incorporate some fashion as well. I've been planning all my content out and I am so excited. So you definitely don't wanna miss that. If you enjoyed today's video, if you're excited for future Falling for Fall videos that are coming up soon, please give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my products, all my goodies, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.